My name is Ray Olson, and this is a package I got back on eBay. I'm going to open this now. To do an inventory, as I stated in here, I want to see an inventory, and I'm going to put batteries in. There's the original package that I sent to him. Here's the paperwork he sent back. Also no video cable, as shown in picture. Let's see. I sent it. Well, there is a battery, and there is the battery container. Wide angle lens. There's the remote control. Looks like no cover right now. Here's the camera. Nothing there. There's that. So, there's the camera. This is missing. That went with it when I sent it. Not in here. Not there. It is missing. Ring, ring, ring. This is the wide angle lens. Okay, I'm going to stop it now. I'm going to put batteries in this, brand new batteries, and we'll see what happens. Brand new batteries to put into this. I have a tape ready that I'm going to put in. This is something for my kids' youth. I'm going to put that in, and we'll see if it works. Here are the new batteries, all in place. Are in there. I'm going to turn this on. We're going to turn it on to VTR, and we're going to turn it on right here. You can see that there's light through the viewfinder. And this viewfinder lights up. There's my eject. As you can see, there's no tape inside. Here's the tape. Put the tape in. Close it up. It should close automatically. And for the videotape recorder, we're going to play it. We're going to play it like, there we go. There's play. This does not work now, and the door is broken. This is where the tape goes in. If you want to eject it, you push this button right here and it comes out. There's the tape, goes in. And you close this, it goes down automatically. But this is not the way that I sent it. This was not like that. This something's wrong here. This did not ship like this. It did not come in the original box that I sent it in. This is the box that it came back in, and this is the top of the box that I sent it in. It was supposed to be, oh, there's the battery cover for this. But the original box, it was not returned in the original box. There's no way to determine if this was damaged. This is a brand new box. When I sent this, when I listed this, you can see I played a tape on it. It played on the screen, it recorded, it did everything, and now it doesn't do anything.